Hoi. Good flipping morning, you guys. As you can tell by the birds squawking, it's the morning. We've got a few things on today. We're actually finally getting around to putting that on the road, Daniel. And for those of you that watched the video probably about a month ago, I gave in a few parts, which was a sprint lip and a rocker cover to get color match. And some of you guys guessed it, but some of you guys didn't. But here it is, sprint boot lip, rocker cover. And by the way, I'm still looking for someone to do this in carbon hydro dip. So if you know anyone that does this in carbon hydro dip, let me know. Anyways, let's get to it. So as you guys can see, with the abundance of stuff here on this table, Daniel does need a few things to get his car on the road again. Obviously, he needs his rocker cover back, so I'm gonna take the one off my car and we're gonna chuck it on his car. In transport, his weather shields came off, so he got that. We got some front spacers, because you know, gotta get that stancy vibes on it. And brakes, because I stole his brakes because his car he wasn't driving his car. Oh, and also, we've got one rear spacer on and we need to fix that because it's probably not wise to have one spacer and no surprise though. Alright guys, rocker cover's back on. Daniel's rocker cover's back on and it moves, which is good. This is the big reveal for the rocker cover. I'm pretty happy with it. It just changes the whole look of it. But here we go. Next thing to do, probably get a start on Daniel's car. We've got to put front spacers on, put his weather shields on, and front brakes. So probably stick into that, and I'm gonna do also at the same. Yeah, he is. Daniel's used brakes are done. Spacers are on. We're thinking it probably needs like some camber adjustment. We'll figure it out. We're doing weather shields right now. So he's just chucking them on. Like I said, the old weather shields flew off. Digitate's really weak. Like even look at mine. Like always comes loose. I've done it like 3 times, but it is what it is. I just tightened up my spacers to double check. Now I'm gonna get started on the lip. Currently in the process of putting this lip on. I had to do a couple of holes on the inside so we can screw out here and there. And also we're gonna get one here, but these ones got easy access. Yeah, so I want to push it to them. Daniel's got 30mm spaces on the front and he's really pushing it because he's got a camber kit on it already. So like the wheels are pretty straight, so the fitment is like tight. So we might need to adjust the camber and maybe just give it a bit, you know, I don't know what you call it, a bit more angle. So then the fitment can be a bit more not rubbing. But I'll give you guys a look anyways what he's washing.
It's flat.
Like that's
But now they're on 40.
Especially with stock springs, so it's a bit bouncy. fun. Looks fat. Far out. 2 back-to-back long ass days. Oh. Daniel's final steps, washing the car. Hasn't been washed for like how much months? Because it's been under the car for so long. Hasn't been touched. And finally, the bootlip's finished. Let's have one last look at it. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. If you like it, my niggas. If you don't, I don't give a fuck. Bit of a close-up. But yeah. I'm super happy. Shout out to this guy and my dad, wherever the heck he is, for helping us out, making this happen like usual. But, ooh, pretty hyped, to be honest. Super hyped. That's probably gonna be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, I know it's been a while since we've done like car maintenance and parts and shit on the channel. But if you enjoyed that, leave a like, leave a comment, and if you want, you can subscribe too. Anyways, bye.